The G-Shock catalog can sometimes be a bit overwhelming, but this is one you won't want to overlook. Welcome back to the channel for Right Time Watches here in Denver, Colorado. I really like today's watch. It's a super good looking version of the Casio G-Shock Classic Square, but this one's built to a much higher standard and it's absolutely gorgeous. Before we dig into its details, we'll invite you to subscribe to the channel so you catch all of our upcoming videos on watches like this one. The watch has a 43.5mm diameter with a 60.5mm lug-to-lug if you consider the longest points on the tapering bracelet. It's 13mm thick and powered by a Casio Tough Solar movement. This model is called the Virtual Camo based on its colorway, and it's also made in full titanium. Obviously, the full metal Classic Square is a fan favorite amongst Casio and other watch enthusiasts, and this new model is really something special. The Virtual Camo name and of course the design take inspiration from the virtual camouflage and armor worn by heroes in video games. With Japanese influence being so strong in the gaming sphere, this beautiful Casio Japanese watch was a great canvas to put this really cool work on. With this timepiece you get just about everything you would want from a Casio G-Shock: 200 meters of water resistance, the Tough Solar movement, multiband 6 timekeeping, and Bluetooth connectivity. All of that combined with nearly limitless functionality on the watch itself make this such an incredible watch, just like many other G-Shocks we've seen in the past. Getting this watch in the hand, it's immediately evident how light this titanium metal is, but also how strong it feels. The bracelet and case feel very durable and prepared to take on anything that you'd want, like you'd expect from a G-Shock. The watch is also equipped with an AR-coated sapphire crystal, which is a huge plus. The bracelet feels very well made, the tolerances seem tight, and of course this really cool design looks fantastic. The milled deployant on this titanium bracelet also feels very good. The case back provides information on the watch and its functionality. And when you also flip it over, you get really strong LED lighting, making it super easy to see in nighttime. This watch feels truly marvelous on the wrist. Not only is the G-Shock Square full metal a comfortable watch to begin with, but this one being made in that lightweight but super strong titanium makes it a great fit on the wrist. With a price point of around $1,700 US, this full metal Casio isn't the cheapest of the bunch, but it is still quite functional and impressive without paying MRG prices. This watch is really cool and unique while still maintaining an incredible familiarity. If you'd like to purchase this watch or any of our others, please visit us online at righttime.com or give us a call. We're always happy to help. As always, thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next time at Right Time.